Hey you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode we're going to take a look at Volcon Inc., ticker symbol VLCN, a NASDAQ delisting notification and short interest play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called 4 100% plus runners for our private Discord members today, June 24th, 2024. We called out MLGO pre-market today before it ran up 291%. We also called AGFY pre-market today before it ran up 193%. SNTI was called for our private Discord members this afternoon, and it ran up 117%. And finally, we called CCM this afternoon before it shot up 110%. We are just made different. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Volcon Inc., ticker symbol VLCN, which is based in Round Rock, Texas. It's a publicly traded auto manufacturer company with a $973,000 market cap and 35 employees. Volcon Inc. develops, manufactures, and sells electric off-road power sport vehicles in the United States. The company provides electric 2- and 4-wheel motorcycles and utility terrain vehicles through its dealers. And the company's products are designed for family off-road adventures, work on the farm, and fun transport around private land applications. It also offers a line of upgrades and accessories. The company was incorporated in 2020. Now let's take a look at VLCN's most recent news. On June 14th, the company was notified by the Listings Qualifications Department of NASDAQ that the company was not in compliance with NASDAQ's listing rule since the minimum bid price of the company's common stock had been below $1 per share for 30 consecutive business days, and that the market value of its listed securities had been below the minimum $35 million required for continued listing. On June 11, 2024, the company also received a notice from the staff that the company no longer meets the minimum 500,000 publicly held shares requirement for NASDAQ. Now, the company intends to submit a letter to NASDAQ explaining its plan on reaching compliance. The price action on VLCN stock was pushed upward today 63% in after hours. Now, it remains to be seen if Volcon will be getting an extension with NASDAQ to have time to regain compliance with its listing rules, and whether shorts may come into play if compliance cannot be obtained. Short squeeze plays may be a factor to affect the price action as well, and trading of this stock will involve some amount of risk. It is also worth noting that the float on this stock is just 225,000 shares. It is a micro float stock. The volume of shares traded today was 400,000. These factors could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join a membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Volcon Inc., ticker symbol VLCN, is a publicly traded consumer auto manufacturer company. VLCN is a company that we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic scalp trades. Now, will VLCN run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros. It is just my opinion, folks. And I will have VLCN on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.